Welcome to BeCEXY, ladies and gentlemen, the advanced stage, permit me to put it that way, for CEX powertap airdrop. So I don't know if the boat is still working, but this is where we moved on from the boat to. Now, I've noticed a lot of people have been having challenges with this whole airdrop event due to the BeCEXY codes that are supposed to be provided here from YouTube. Yes, it's no news. It's not hidden that these guys are using this project to actually grow their YouTube platform. Of course, we know that because they give codes, and before you can actually say jack, the codes are gone, right? But however, there is a trick guys are using to get the codes, right? It worked for me. As you can see, I have provided the code here and I'm checked for providing an acceptable code. Code was accepted, right? So stick around. I'm going to show you how I got my code. So log on to any social media platform of your choice and enter a search for sexy codes, right? So here is the result. You can see someone shared to this new code. This was 4 days ago though, but at the end of it, it says try this old codes also. So if you try this one, there are chances that you will not get it because those codes they run out in minutes, right? So it has come to the knowledge of crypto enthusiasts that the old codes still work. Just that you can just pick any one and it might, just use it's like a game of luck, right? So like myself, when I came here, I was determined to, find out if these old codes actually work. So I tried. I just started with any one in the middle because I know people will be trying the ones at the beginning and the end. So I chose one in the middle, it didn't work. So I went back, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, the first line. So on the second line, one of the codes worked. And as you can rightly see, I have been checked for providing the code, right? So you should also go try it. I have tried, it has worked. If it didn't work, I won't be here talking about this trick, right? So you go try it. Just dedicate some minutes of your time. You can start from anywhere, but just these are supposed to be codes that have been used on the platform before and they worked, right? So it turns out that guys are just figuring out that even the old codes they still work, but it's not a guarantee. So you just try it, right? Just try them, and maybe some other day you will still come and check if it didn't work for you, immediately, right? So that's the trick, guys. Go try it and complete the sexy code task because that's the one task that has kept many away from actually claiming their airdrop, right? So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.